What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be making some Boro patchwork jorts. I really don't know what to call these. I haven't figured out a name yet. Also, sorry if I sound a little weird right now. I'm kind of congested. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. We're starting off with these slim straight shorts. These were pants before. And then these are the flares that I cut out. And this is the flannel that I'm using for the Boro stitch stuff. I don't know what to call it, patchwork. But this is the example here. I want it to look like this. I used the scrap piece of fabric first to see what it looked like. And this is the adhesive stuff that we're using. I only use a little bit because it does get very stiff. So this is me spraying the adhesive glue on. This is me doing the other one. So I ironed it so it would kind of stay on there. Also, I didn't want it to be stiff. So I actually moved these around afterwards. It's me making sure there's no glue on the floor. This is me distressing it. Make sure you guys wear a mask if you're doing this. It does get everywhere. And it can get in your nose. This is the finished product. Now I have to sew it up. This is me sewing it. So this is it, sewed together, the line stitch. Can't really see it that much because the thread is red. I decided not to do the Boro stitch on the shorts. I decided to distress the shorts and then put the flannel on the back side. Those are the panels I'm going to sew on in the inside. And here I'm going to take this back pocket off and do the Boro stitch on the pocket. This is me taking apart the back pocket. This is me spraying on the adhesive. If you do this, use basting spray, it's better. But as I said before, use basting spray because it is like a temporary hold and it doesn't make things stiff like this Gorilla Glue spray. But here's me ironing it. This is me distressing the back pocket. This is it done. Now I have to do the same line stitch as I did with the flares. This is the stitching done. The flannel is pinned to the other side now, and I pinned the back pocket. Now I have to sew it. This is it sewed all together. And this is the back pocket sewed on. Now it's time to sew on the flares. This is me pinning them together. This is it pinned together, clipped together, I mean. Now we have to sew it. So I cut off the flare part because it was really long. I added it to the shorts because I felt like it was too just like bland, kind of. It didn't look right. I felt like I needed more like on the actual jorts, so I put that on there, and this is me sewing it. This is everything all sewed together. Right here, I definitely should have left the crotch alone and only put it at like the bottom, kind of, because it looks a little weird. Definitely like too much going on, I think, around there, but it's cool. This is the back. I have to wash this now so the distressing will be more detailed. And this is it after the wash. This is the on body. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the jorts in the comments. They are available on my website right now, link in the description. Also, I tried to put more of the process in the video. Let me know if you guys want more of that. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.